Budgie Lovers 101 here, and we just got this parakeet right here on the right today, and her name is Kiwi. This is Tiki.
He was mine, and
yeah.
we both got him at Petland, but we didn't get him at the same time.
Yeah.
So.
And as you can see, Tiki and Kiwi really like each other. Hopefully they will have mate, but they're a little too young now. They're like 4 or 5 months old. And Tiki loves
putting one leg up there.
And he loves to nibble on your finger.
He is a recessive pied parakeet. He's a different kind. As you can see on the top of his head, he doesn't have those, like lines. And then we do not know what kind of parakeet Tiki is.
Oh.
But she
I think she's about the same, but as you can see on her stomach, she has a little heart of purple.
Hard to see right now.
She's purple, yellow, green, and blue. Yes, but Tiki loves to look at the camera, don't you, Tiki?
Apparently. So, please
comment and subscribe and say anything we need to do better. And thank you for watching Budgie Lovers 101 videos. Comment or subscribe. Thank you for watching.